This is the Logitech Scribe. I'm Caroline with Vivo. Let's check it out. Whiteboards are still one of the most useful tools in a meeting room. The problem is that the second someone joins remotely, the whiteboard becomes invisible to those in the meeting that aren't in the room. Logitech Scribe fixes that. Here's how. Logitech Scribe is an AI-powered whiteboard camera that mounts above your whiteboard and broadcasts what's on it directly into your video meeting. It integrates with Microsoft Teams, Zoom Rooms, and other leading video conferencing platforms. And sharing is as simple as pressing a wireless button or tapping on a connected room controller like the Logitech Tap. Here's the part that gets people's attention. Scribe has a built-in AI transparency effect. When someone is standing at the whiteboard, the AI makes the presenter appear transparent so remote participants can see through them to the content on the board. Nobody is blocking the information, which sounds like a small thing until you've been on a call when someone's been standing in front of the whiteboard for 10 whole minutes. The image quality is sharp enough that handwriting and diagrams come through clearly for remote participants, not washed out or distorted like a phone camera pointed at a whiteboard. Scribe is not only great for conference rooms, it's great for educators in classrooms and hybrid settings. It can even connect directly to a laptop as a USB device if you're not running a full room system. If your team still uses whiteboards, and most do, Logitech Scribe is one of the most practical upgrades you can make to a hybrid meeting room. To learn more, get in touch with a Vivo specialist at vivo.tech. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this.